Hi guys, good day, good morning to everyone, and today I would like to discuss some trading situations, and here's the gold situation in front of you. What I like is the level of resistance 1815 is 1820 for today. I have also analytical research for American dollar index, and I will show it to you later, but right now the technical reason for gold is to look at this 1815 level as a level of resistance, which can be a good entry point for short positions up to 1805 and 1795. I don't tell you that this is like the perfect 100% situation, but this is something that we can use, and it may work these days for us. Technically, I would like to remind you that we have range right now, and it means if they break this level of resistance, the level of resistance, the next one is 1823 and 1833. But technically, due to American dollar index, I like it as a level of resistance to open short positions. Let me show you what's going on with American dollar index. Look here. On 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart, I have as a target this area 93.10 area, which is something that I want to trade today. And what you do, you just make it as not the level of resistance, but the tendency line. So you take this tendency, you take the maximum price and you draw it like this. So this is your technical reason to wait for higher price, because they're still not giving you a good entry point for short positions. They're not giving you a rebound. So this is not right now. This is not the resistance. Resistance is over here. Due to my idea that American dollar index will go higher, you are welcome to wait that gold will go lower. So American dollar index may show you new maximum price, and this is something that you can trade. For euro dollar, if you're waiting for a price to go higher for American dollar index, it means that euro dollar will go lower as well. If you take a look at my daily picture, I would like to remind you that we have a level of resistance 1.1865. This is something that we discussed a week ago, and right now we are going to have a level of resistance 1.17, level of support 1.17 and 1.16. So why do I take those levels of support? Because I have Fibonacci extension, and what gives me an extension after they break the first target, it means they will try to reach the second target. If we take a look at second target, it is combined with the level of support that was important in October last year, and it means that price really may go there. If we are waiting for American dollar index to go higher, it means that euro dollar may go lower to these targets. But this is the daily chart that you have to be aware of what may happen. On 1 hour chart, I used to show you this picture. I hope you remember the downgoing tendency. They break the first target, we put the second target, third target, and now it goes to this area, like 1.1630. After they break 1.1770, the next target is 1.1630. But before that, the 1.17 area is a support which they may test, and this is something that we may work with for future couple of days. Okay, so we had some good information for gold, for euro, for American dollar index. Now we can talk about S&P 500, because yesterday we saw the price going down, and today it's also opening with the short positions, and Dow Jones, S&P 500, they're showing us a little bit of down going away. But I don't feel like this is a good idea to sell right now, and these couple of hours of short positions are not a reason for us to wait for a total sale. I'm still okay waiting for my target, which is 4,540 for S&P 500, but you know that this period is not a good one, because market is afraid of inflation that happened in America, and market is afraid of corporate ideas that we are going to have today from bank sector. So I would say that we have to be aware of short positions if they happen, if short positions will be opened. So you just gotta close your long positions and wait for a better period, okay? If we technically take a look at Dow Jones, I still like this level of support, 34,700, which may be a good entry point for long position up to 35,000. And if it's all good and they go higher, we will make new long positions, but not right now, okay? I'm still aware that they may test it, and try to show us like 34,200. So yeah, this is something that I'm aware of. But if you take a look at 4-hour chart, right now they are on support and they're still going to go to the maximum price that was in 2021. For Nasdaq, nothing is happening. They got to my profit, and my profit was 14,940. So right now I'm not waiting for next target because they reached my huge target. Huge, it was pretty huge, and right now they're testing this level of resistance, so they may stay in this range for a couple of days. I'm not planning new deals here right now, okay? You please be aware that price reached to a good technical target. How do I know that that was a good technical target? There was an upgoing tendency since 2020, since March of 2020, so they broke the zero level and got to our profit, the first target with the Fibonacci levels after they break the 0 point. How you make it? You take the Fibonacci levels, you draw it from the bottom part to the maximum part when they give you correction. You see this correction? Well, actually, yeah, I know that we may change the maximum price right now. I know. And in this idea, there is still a level of resistance, 15,130. But I told you my previous target, and that's what I did. I closed positions. Right now, if you want to change your target to 15,138, it's up to you. You may try to do that. And if you wanna try these positions, let's try to find an entry point. I would say that this level of resistance, which is for 14,870, is something that they need to break to sit on this level as a level of support, and after that you are welcome to buy with the target 15,138. This may work for you if you feel like you need all those long positions, so this may work for you, I think. Okay, about Bitcoin and Ethereum, you know my idea. You know that I'm still waiting for lower prices to buy, and I didn't change this idea for Bitcoin. It's still 27,000 area. I don't feel like, giving you a forecast or telling you that this will happen for 100%. No, it won't. It's just something technical that I feel like they may do, because there is no good buyer right now. For Ethereum on daily chart, you see the same. Yes, they tried to go up, but now they're going down, and technically it's true. This is something that may happen, and you have to remember about 1,300 area. I don't tell you that this will happen and they will go there, but right now I'm not in long positions yet because I'm waiting for lower prices by technical reason. And as you know me for many years here, that's what I do. I give you true technical analytical research that works. So, okay, I will finish for now. I give you my ideas. You're welcome to use them. And I wish you huge profits. See you guys later. Bye-bye.